Okay, children. So, this is a topic of comparing EMFs of two cells using potentiometer. Comparing EMFs of two cells using potentiometer. So, first comes a diagram. Again, an alloy wire stretched between thick copper strips, driver cell, few circuit elements, milliammeter, rheostat, a key. This is primary circuit is ready. Now you will be using your cells, cell 1 with EMF E1 connected to end A of potentiometer wire. Similarly, end A is connected to one more cell E2. Okay, so now you can employ two keys, key K1 and key K2. Then both the keys are connected this way to a galvanometer and then to jockey. Okay, so this is your driver cell, this is your driver cell, EMF of driver cell. Primary circuit, driver cell is a part of primary circuit. E1 and E2 are EMFs of cells in secondary circuit. Basically, you have to get the ratio of E1 and E2. So circuit is set up, whatever I've spoken you can write, that is setting up the circuit, or you can say theory. Now we'll start the working. You will unplug key K2, remove key K2 removed, so E2 is not there in circuit. Okay, so who is there? So E1 cell is in circuit. Then slide the jockey over potentiometer wire and obtain null point J. So J is here, you can see AJ. Let this length be L1, which you can read from the potentiometer because there is a meter scale attached to the potentiometer, so you can read. So what is your balancing length? What is the balancing length? AJ. And how much is AJ? Let it be L1. Balancing length is L1. Okay, and how much is the voltage balanced? Which cell was there in circuit? E1. So voltage balance is E1. Now using the principle of potentiometer, which is V balanced is equal to K into L balanced. Let us substitute V balanced, which is E1, and this is K and this is L1. First equation is ready. Now you will unplug key K1, okay, and plug in key K2. Plug in key K2. It means you are using cell E1 in circuit and cell cell E2 will be in circuit and E1 is out of circuit. It's not a part of the circuit. You have unplugged key K1, it means E1 cell is not there in circuit and E2 is there in the circuit. Slide the jockey. Obtain null point. Let it be J dash. Okay, and AJ dash will be your balancing length. Let it be L2. And how much is voltage balanced? I told you E1 is not there in circuit. Who is there? E2. So voltage balance is E2. Again using the principle, V balanced is equal to K into L balanced. How much is V balanced? E2. K into L balanced is L2. Second equation. So you can divide 1 by 2. So E1 by E2 will come as KL1 divided by KL2. So E1 by E2 is equal to L1 by L2. And length 1, balancing length of first cell and balancing length of second cell can be read from potentiometer because there is a scale attached. So hence the topic is done. If L1 is greater, if this length is greater, then L1 by L2 is greater than 1. This means E1 by E2 is greater than 1. This means E1 is greater than E2. But you can produce the topic further according to the weightage of the question. Otherwise, topic gets over here. Kindly prepare the topic.